What happens in the production and manufacturing processes, Hatchdo's involvement really varies depending on the type of the clients. Sometimes we will just do the industrial design and not even do any mechanical engineering, and we'll hand that off. Other times, we will build a prototype or a proof of concept, and then we'll kind of liaison with the contract manufacturer to help them get up to speed on, maintaining the design intent as they move into mass production. It just really depends. In this particular case with Rubbish, we are handing over the final design files, and we plan to provide some support and answering questions here and there. But for the most part, we're going to let the contract manufacturer do most of the heavy lifting in this case. Sometimes, when a lot of prospective clients come to us, they always make the assumption, especially if they're inexperienced, to make the assumption that Hatchdo actually can do, 25,000 units right out of our shop. But we're actually a design shop, so we handle most of the front-end design work. And while we have partners, we have overseas partners, and we have connections to contract manufacturers and prototype shops, etc. We generally don't do, the mass production. We usually hand our clients over to one of our partners to do that.